Welcome to Napu Oud, where we provide pure wood oils, handcrafted incense, and exquisite jewelry made from the finest agarwood. Today, let's explore many uses and benefits of agarwood essential oil. Whether you are new to agarwood or a seasoned enthusiast, you will discover why this precious oil is so revered. Agarwood, also known as oud, is a precious regional hardwood derived from acacia trees. This rare and fragrant substance has been shared for centuries for its unique aroma and numerous health benefits. Agarwood essential oil distilled from this aromatic wood is highly prized in various traditions and modern practice. Now, let's explore the fine mystery of the uses of agarwood oil. One of the most popular agarwood essential oil uses is in aromatherapy. The rich, woody, and slightly sweet aroma of agarwood essential oil is renowned for its calming and grounding properties. It has reduced stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of peace and relaxation. Diffusing agarwood essential oil in your living space can create a serene and tranquil atmosphere, helping to reduce stress, anxiety, and tension. This makes it an excellent choice for meditation, yoga, and other relaxation practice. The soothing scent of agarwood oil can enhance emotional balance, promote mental clarity, and foster a deep sense of peace. Agarwood essential oil is often used as a natural remedy for insomnia and other sleep disorders. Its sedative properties have calmed the mind and body, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Simply adding a few drops of agarwood essential oil to a diffuser or applying it to your pillow can create a restful sleep environment, leading to. Or you can use agarwood essential oil to massage your head, neck, and shoulders to relax areas of the body that contain many nerves and relax aching muscles, thereby helping the body feel more relief from pain. Its soothing effects can also help alleviate headache and migraine when applied to the temples and neck. That makes it easier to sleep. The use of agarwood oil extends to skincare, where it is celebrated for its rejuvenating and anti-aging properties. Agarwood essential oil is rich in antioxidants which have combat free radicals and reduce the sign of aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and age spots. Agarwood essential oil is rich in saccharopenes, a class of organic compounds that are known for their ability to stimulate the production of collagen and elastin in the skin. When using agarwood oil, it's important to ensure it comes from a sustainable source due to its rarity and high value. Always perform a patch test before using any essential oil on your skin to check for any allergic reaction. The use of agarwood oil are deeply rooted in spiritual and meditative practice. Agarwood essential oil has been used in religious ceremonies and rituals for centuries, valued for its ability to enhance spiritual awareness and deepen meditation. The grounding and centering properties of agarwood oil make it an ideal companion for meditation, prayer, and other spiritual practice. Its aroma is believed to facilitate a connection with the divine, promote inner peace, and elevate consciousness. Agarwood essential oils blends well with other essential oils like sandalwood, frankincense, and myrrh, enhancing their spiritual properties and creating a more complex and enriching aroma. These blends can be used in diffuser, anointing oils, or as part of spiritual baths to deepen the spiritual experience. In the world of perfumery, the use of agarwood oil are empowered. Agarwood essential oil is a bright ingredient in high-end perfumes and personal fragrance. Due to its complex, deep, and long-lasting scent, its unique aroma with notes of wood, spice, and sweetness make it a complete choice for creating luxurious and captivating fragrance. Agarwood oil is often used as a base note in perfumes due to its deep, warm scent tone which linger well in the nasal cavity, thereby helping to fix the lighter top and middle notes. Besides, agarwood essential oil's ability to hold its scent on skin or cloth have ensured that the perfume remains effective for a long time. At Napu Oud, we take pride in offering exquisite agarwood products that combine natural beauty with timeless elegance. Explore our collection today and experience the unique allure of agarwood for yourself. Embrace the agarwood essential oil's benefits and discover how this extraordinary oil can enhance your life in countless ways. If you are looking to buy Agarwood products with the best quality and most suitable price, do not hesitate to contact Napu immediately via this website or our WhatsApp phone number below. Thank you for watching and see you in our next videos.